Hello, I am going to show you how students or families can log in to our CMP3 math materials from home or from a computer. Sometimes students may want to, or parents may want to see a homework assignment or consult the book for information, and you can do that online. So the first thing you would do is open up a web browser. This is Google Chrome, and up here you would type in the address. We're going to access our CMP materials through PowerSchool. So there's a special address, ps.fhps.net, then /public, and enter. Here you have the login screen for PowerSchool. If any families have maybe middle school or high school students, they might be familiar with this. Those families can check on grades for middle schoolers and high schoolers using PowerSchool. We also use PowerSchool for recording attendance. You see I have a defaulted name already in there. I'm going to practice on a student here. So you enter for their username their student ID number. This is a 5-digit number that students use for lunch, hot lunch, for the media center, and for other things. It's also included as part of their email address, or their Google email address. So I'm going to enter the student ID number, then do the password. And again, this is the password that students would use on their Google account, their Google email account that's been issued by the district. Hopefully students have this memorized by now. We use it quite a bit in class. Try it one more time. Practice makes perfect. And the password. Enter. Once we're in, you'll see over on the left-hand side some of the different things that are accessible. We're going to go to Pearson Courses, so I click on that. Pearson is the company that makes our CMP materials. Here are the different materials that are available. Let's go to the CMP3 Grade 6. This will give us access to everything. I click that. You'll see on the screen that it's loading. It's taking all of that material and it's loading it into my browser so that I can access it. When I come in, it takes me to where I last was. So you can see here that we were last looking at some ACE questions. So I want to go back though to the beginning. So up in the upper left-hand corner, we see this active ebook. Click that and then click Student Content, and that will bring us into all of the material. Will kind of bring us back to the beginning. So here you see all these red boxes. Each one represents a book that's available to be looked at on the bookshelf. So the unit that we're in now is Prime Time. So clicking here would take us there. Our next unit is Comparing Bits and Pieces. That's the name of the book, so you could click there. You'll see all of our units are here. There's also some additional practice. Here's a practice book in Spanish, so any of those would be available. Let's go to Prime Time. Click that. And you'll see when we get in again, it's going to load Prime Time. And it's going to put us right where we were last time we were in Prime Time. So here again are those ACES assignments. If I want to go though back to the beginning, over here I can use this arrow. That will take me back through the book till I get to the first page. You can see here that this is the book, this is the cover of the book. Here is the introduction and other things. And let's say I want to go to Investigation 3, which is like Chapter 3. And then click that, and then you see here the different problems within that, different lessons. So let's say I want to do problem 3.4. I can click there, and it will take me to those questions in that unit. Let's go back and say I want to look at the ACES problems. That's maybe what students are looking for. Sometimes we have an assignment from there. I click on that, and it gives me the ACE problems by number. So here's numbers 1 and 2, number 3. Let's say the assignment was number 15. I can click there, and it will open up number 15. If I want to go forward, I can look at some more here. Let's say I want to go to number 35. Here's 34 and 35. I click there, and it opens that up. So hopefully this is a tool that will be helpful for students and families. Sometimes it's nice to be able to access the book if it's forgotten, or maybe just be able to move more easily through it. So thanks very much.